All right, we're back with Project Sonoma, and the rear window lock came off, so I bought a new one from Rock Auto. And you can kind of feel where it goes. So we're gonna take this Permatex rear view mirror adhesive. We're gonna put some along the bottom of this metal piece here, and then we're gonna take this little clamp. We're gonna clamp it in place till it dries. Okay, so we've got our adhesive and our activator here. You've got to take the activator, don't touch it. Put some activator on the window, an activator on the back, and don't touch it afterwards. All right, we're going to put our adhesive on the back of the latch. And that's it. We're going to let it sit for about 20 minutes.